so that Allah may compensate those who had done sins, who had done ugly, evil deeds because of whatever they had done. وَيَجْزِيَ الَّذِينَ أَحْسَنُوا. It's an interesting change of language though. I want to pay attention to that. الَّذِينَ أَسَاءُوا بِمَا عَمِلُوا, as opposed to بِمَا أَسَاءُوا. Those who did wrong should be paid for the wrong that they did, the evil for their evil. But Allah says, so He can compensate the evildoers, those who done evil, even for the good deeds that they did. What does that mean? Sometimes there are evildoers who do good deeds to maintain their reputation. So they do some good amal too. It's mixed in there. But they don't do it for the good reason. I mean, إِنَّمَا الْأَعْمَالِ بِالنِّيَّاتِ, we already know. أَعْمَالُهُمْ كَرَمَادٍ اشْتَدَّتْ بِهِ الرِّيحُ فِي يَوْمٍ عَاصِفٍ. Their good deeds are worthless. Because they're just done for namesake. Allah even called out the mushrikun. They used to pray, They used to have their own salat. But why did they have salat? Because the leaders of Quraysh, the custodians of the Kaaba, the mayor, the governor, that tribe, the heads, if they're not seen as spiritual people, then people are going to start saying, these people are the custodians of the Kaaba, they don't even pray. Why should they have leadership? So they pray, and Allah says, الَّذِينَ هُمْ عَنْ صَلَاتِهِمْ سَاهُونَ الَّذِينَ هُمْ يُرَاءُونَ. They just show off. They're only praying so they can maintain face with the people. You know how politicians go and kiss babies? And shake hands and say, I'm with you, I feel your pain. You don't feel nobody's pain. And it's supposed to be a good deed. I can't believe he came to our restaurant and he sat right here and he talked to us. He's just one of us. This whole facade, which seems like a good deed, then you'll have people that are extremely extravagant and evil in their personal life. They're just evil in their personal life. The kind of recklessness, shamelessness, arrogance they display in their life is unmatched. And then they'll go and adopt a baby. Right? And for a photo op. They'll do that. What does that takes away from all the evil that they represent? So Allah says, we'll compensate the evildoers even for other things that apparently the good deeds that they might have done, or all deeds that they have done. وَيَجْزِيَ الَّذِينَ أَحْسَنُوا بِالْحُسْنَى. And those who have excelled will be compensated with the very, very, very best. Al-Husna. This is the superlative form.